everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today's remedy is something so many of you have been asking for. Yes, this is the most requested remedy by our lovely viewers. A vitamin C serum for skin whitening. So many people deal with issues like dull skin, pigmentation, tanning, and dark spots. And if you're one of them, you're definitely going to love what we're sharing today. We'll not only make the serum step by step, but I'll also show you exactly how to apply it and massage it into the skin for the best results. You'll apply this serum gently and massage it just like this. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the whole process. This powerful homemade serum will target multiple skin concerns at once: dark spots, uneven skin tone, dullness, and even suntan. It's an all-in-one remedy, and the best part? It's natural, affordable, and super effective. After using this serum regularly, applying it consistently as part of your routine, you'll start seeing visible changes in your skin. Your skin will look more even, brighter, and fresher. The glow you get will be hard to ignore. It works wonders on dark patches, stubborn pigmentation, and sun damage. It really lightens those dark areas over time, giving you a brighter complexion. And here's the exciting part. Even after the first use, you might notice a subtle difference. Yes, even after using it once, some of you will see a visible glow. But for long-term results, make it part of your daily skincare routine. Please make sure to watch this video till the very end, because I'll be explaining how to use the serum properly to get the maximum benefits. Now let's get started with the ingredients. We'll begin by taking 2 fresh lemons. Make sure they're clean and free of any pesticides. Next, take the lemon zest. In case you're wondering, lemon zest is simply the yellow outer layer of the lemon peel. It's the most potent part of the fruit, even more powerful than the juice. Why do we use the zest? Because it's packed with nutrients. It contains a high concentration of vitamin C, is rich in antioxidants, and has excellent antimicrobial and antifungal properties. It helps fight bacteria on the skin and improves skin clarity. So now I'm taking the zest of both lemons. That's enough for 1 batch of this serum. Next, I'm taking about 80 to 90 milliliters of almond oil. This oil is extremely nourishing and improves both complexion and skin tone. It's a great base for our serum. Now, place the lemon zest into a small pan and pour in the almond oil. If you don't have almond oil at home, no worries. You can also use coconut oil or olive oil. These oils also have moisturizing and brightening effects on the skin. Once you've added everything to the pan, mix it gently. Turn your stove on and let the mixture warm on low heat. don't increase the flame. We don't want to burn the zest or destroy the nutrients. The goal is to let all the goodness from the lemon zest infuse into the oil slowly. Let it heat for about 5 to 6 minutes, gently stirring from time to time. Once you feel the oil has absorbed the essence of the zest, go ahead and switch off the flame. Let it cool down completely. This step is very important. Now, we need to strain the oil. Make sure there are no chunks or bits of lemon peel left. You can use a cotton pad placed in a strainer or a muslin cloth for best results. After straining, add about 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil. If you don't have jojoba oil, you can skip it, but if you do, try to include it, because it adds extra hydration and helps balance oil production in the skin. Mix everything together really well. Now pour this golden oil into an airtight container or dropper bottle. And that's it. Your powerful, all-natural vitamin C skin whitening serum is ready. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. Your support means the world to us and keeps us going. Now let me explain how to use this serum for the best results. First, make sure your face is completely clean. Use a mild cleanser and pat dry with a towel. Take a few drops of the serum on your fingertips and gently massage it into your skin. Be gentle, use upward strokes, and cover your entire face and neck area. After the very first application, you might notice your skin looking smoother and brighter. But don't stop there. For best results, use it before going to bed, so the serum works overnight while your skin is repairing itself. Include it in your nighttime skincare routine. Initially, apply it once daily for at least a month. If you love the results, which I'm sure you will, continue using it regularly. You can also apply it on other dark areas of the body: elbows, knees, underarms, hands. It's completely safe for all skin types and all age groups. And the best part? It's made from 100% natural ingredients. No chemicals, no preservatives, and no synthetic fragrances. Just pure goodness from nature. Please give this remedy a try and share your experience in the comments section below. I love reading your stories and feedback. They inspire me to bring more such remedies to you. Once again, this was our vitamin C serum for skin whitening, for dark spots, for dull skin, and for achieving a healthy, glowing face. And to support this channel and get more useful natural beauty content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Take care and stay naturally beautiful.